Hello, entrepreneurs. There is a gap between the things that we say and the things that we really understand. It's a huge gap. I see it all the time and I hear it quite often. I hear it all the time when it comes to business because people will say things like, I want to do stuff and I want my business to pay for it. They may have a business, they may have a side hustle, and they're saying, I want to get to the point where I'm writing things off and my business is taking care of it. What they do not understand that is until you build and separate that business, you and the business are still one. Now, either way it goes, it's still you. It just means that there are certain things you want to do under your business that will potentially be a tax savings at the end of the year or a tax write-off. That's what you're saying. But to understand how that happens is a totally different thing. And it's not something you can Google, you can YouTube, but there's some things that even Google and YouTube just will not get you there. You'll get some of it, but then you've got to implement it. And if that's not what you do every day, you're not going to implement those things by yourself. That's why you hire and you pay a business coach, a bookkeeper, and you pay us monthly. I have so many people that would rather try to save a few bucks, a few $100s, and lose thousands because they don't want to pay for a service. They want to try to do something. They want to try to add time, and you cannot add time to your day. It's only 24 hours in a day. And if you spend any of that 24 hours doing something that you could outsource to me and pay me for versus using that time to make you more money, you have just lost money. You just realized one of the accounting things that we talk about, one of the terms that we use called opportunity costs. In other words, you miss the opportunity to make money trying to do something that will not make you money. So you have to ask yourself, how much am I losing all the time trying to do things that I'm really not equipped to do? Am I trying to do them because I don't trust? Am I trying to do it because I'm cheap? Am I trying to do it because I'm afraid? If any of those things are your answers, then I'm telling you to call me the Queen Bee. I'm going to always be able to explain it to you no matter how long it takes to where you understand it is not beneficial for you to waste your time. Number two, I have not had one client that worked with me and listened to me that I have not taken to the next level. So when I say the Queen Bee of doing business better, I didn't just pick up that title. I earned that title. Number three, you don't want to keep losing money. You went into business to make money, and time is money. And when you waste your time, you're throwing away money. Look around at your family. They're missing time with you, and they're not missing it for you to keep wasting more time and more money. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee, waiting on you to call me. You are not meant to do what you're trying to do. You're meant to pass that to me so you can keep doing the things that make you money. Do not lose your business in opportunity costs. Make sure you watch, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and share the video with a friend. Bye-bye.